This guide provides a step-by-step procedure for upgrading from the Xtreme Digital Control Panel to the X8-C Digital Control Panel. Required tools: 13mm socket, 10mm socket, blank USB drive, not supplied by Eriez. Eriez provided USB drive. Optional, flathead screwdriver. Step 1. Backup current configuration. Insert the blank USB drive into the unit's USB port. Navigate to Product Setup, Backup and Restore. Ensure the backup option is selected, then tap OK. Select the external drive to complete the backup process. Step 2. Power down the equipment. Turn off the unit using the main power switch, unplug the power cord, or switch off the breaker to ensure complete shutdown. Step 3. Remove the control panel cover. Using a 13mm socket, loosen the mounting bolts on the front of the Xtreme control panel. Carefully let the panel rest on the mounting brackets. Step 4. Disconnect wiring. Gently disconnect all wiring connections from the control panel. Use a flathead screwdriver if necessary to assist with removal. Step 5. Disconnect ground connection. With a 10mm socket, remove the ground wire from inside the control panel. Step 6. Remove the Xtreme control panel. Carefully manipulate and twist the control panel to detach it from the mounting brackets. Step 7. Install the X8-C control panel. Position the new X8-C control panel onto the brackets, using the same motion as during removal to ensure proper seating. Step 8. Secure ground connection. Reconnect the ground wire using the 10mm socket. Step 9. Reconnect wiring. Reattach all wiring, ensuring connections are matched to their respective numbered terminals for accurate placement. Step 10. Power on the unit. Set the main power switch to the on position. Step 11. Secure the control panel. Tighten the mounting bolts on the front of the X8-C control panel and verify that the display, HMI, is properly aligned. Ensure that the gasket visibly compresses to create a seal. Step 12. Insert firmware USB drive. Insert the Eriez-provided USB drive into the unit while it remains powered off. Step 13. Power on and initialize. Restore power to the unit using the main switch, plug, or breaker. Step 14. Once at the board upgrade utility screen, select Password and enter the temporary password provided by Eriez. Step 15. Select all available upgrades and press the Upgrade button. Allow upgrades to complete and then power off the machine. Step 16. Insert the backup thumb drive from Step 1 into the USB slot. Power on the machine. Step 17. Enter the temporary password provided by Eriez once the unit powers up. Step 18. Navigate to Factory System Restore. Ensure that the external location is selected. Hit Restore, then select OK. Once you see the message Restore Successful, please cycle system power or press OK to cycle power. Step 19. During power-up, allow optimizing settings to complete.